With the development of AI, more and more technologies are now readily available to assist writers in producing engaging material with less effort. These tools create high-quality content that reads like it was authored by a person by combining complicated algorithms with natural language processing. For everything from advertising to blog articles and emails to social media updates, there are AI writing solutions available. In this video, we'll take a closer look at some of the top AI writing tools available today and discuss how using them can help you write faster and produce material that your audience will enjoy. Before getting into the video, make sure to subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for regular updates. Let's dive into the video. Number 6. Any word. You may create advertising, emails, landing sites, and other sorts of content using any word and database copy. Making content for well-known advertising channels like Facebook, Google AdWords, LinkedIn ads, and Twitter ads is a part of this. Any word distinguishes itself from other programs by providing users with insightful information and accurate forecasts. This gives innovative marketers the ability to expand their toolkit with data, which aids them in determining which components of their message are reaching their target audience. Number 5. Neural text. Neural text is a cutting-edge platform that employs AI to provide a comprehensive solution for content creation, from concept generation to implementation. This tool offers a lot of capabilities, including an AI author, a tool for creating SEO material, and a tool for finding keywords. Neural Text's AI copywriting tools are designed to assist users in producing quality copy for their marketing campaigns. Users may quickly create dozens of various versions using the more than 50 adjustable templates, including those for Facebook advertisements, themes, and blog sections. Additionally, users can develop well-researched material using the platform's SEO Content tools by examining data from pages that currently have a Google ranking. The tool will display the top 20 Google search results once you enter a keyword. Additionally, it will provide you with options for data, topics, questions, and keywords to employ, making it simple for customers to create a strategy and a content brief for their authors, saves users hours. Number 4. WriteSonic. Use WriteSonic's AI-powered content creation tool if you want to create engaging website content and marketing copy. Among other sorts of content, this program provides an automated approach to creating blog entries, marketing headlines, and product descriptions. Additionally, it enables you to create numerous ads for Facebook and Google in a couple of seconds. The ability of WriteSonic to quickly produce original content on a variety of topics is one of its strongest features. The application also enables you to reword and elaborate on existing information to generate fresh perspectives. With its high degree of adaptability, WriteSonic can create material for a variety of formats, including blog posts, advertisements, landing pages, product descriptions, and more. Number 3. Writer. Writer is a versatile and user-friendly AI-powered writing tool. It contains many tools that writers and marketers can use, including templates for producing blogs and product descriptions, as well as copywriting frameworks. This makes it a flexible tool that may be applied to a variety of marketing requirements. With the use of Writer's AI technology, users can quickly and simply produce high-quality content in over 30 languages for a variety of uses in industries, including marketing and e-commerce. Writer's long-form editor and dark mode make it simple for anyone with no prior writing experience or AI writing experience to begin creating engaging material. Additionally, the platform features a Chrome plugin that interfaces with well-known programs like Gmail and the WordPress editor, bringing the power of AI to consumers' preferred tools. Number 2. WordTune. Because it can comprehend the meaning and context of the words you provide, WordTune, a cutting-edge AI writing application, distinguishes out on the market. To assist users in producing more intriguing and persuasive content, WordTune leverages NLP technology based on neural networks. The software's Smart Paste feature enables you to edit and rewrite text while also making it simpler to read. Additionally, users are in complete control of the length and formatting of each line. It is therefore an extremely adaptable instrument. Cloud-based WordTune integrates with social media networks. This makes it simple to use and watch from any location. Number 1. ChatGPT-4. The most cutting-edge AI writing tool is ChatGPT-4, which has features for writing and talking that are exclusive to it. The GPT 3.5 architecture enables it to write excellent, cogent, and persuasive content across a wide range of subject areas. This makes it a crucial tool for companies, academics, and artists. The model can create a language that sounds human, correct, instructive, and engaging because it was trained on a vast amount of diverse text material. Users can communicate with it effortlessly because it has a user-friendly interface and can understand natural language. As a result, producing content is quicker and more enjoyable. That's all for today's video. Which of these AI tools do you use for creating your content? Tell us in the comment section now. Make sure to like the video and follow us for more such amazing videos.